First, we need to go to Settings. In the settings, scroll down a little bit to find Wallpaper and Style. Over here on the left side, we can find the current lock screen, so we can tap on it in order to edit it. And now we have the option to customize the clock. We can change the font and color, as well as the style. We can also show or hide the weather information, and we can move the date above clock. You can also change the position of the clock like this, and you can also make it bigger or smaller. Then we also have widgets. We can tap over here in order to add widgets to the lock screen. So for example, we can go to calendar in order to add this. Perhaps we can go to clock in order to find upcoming alarms. There we go. And then also we can go, let's say, to modes and routines to add a routine. At the bottom we have shortcuts or buttons. We can also customize them by tapping on them. So here we can assign a different action or an app, or you can set up no app at all. In order to change wallpaper, we can tap on wallpapers here on the top left corner, and that is it. Once you are done with customization, press done in the top right corner. Check this playlist to find more guides. Like, comment, subscribe.